Hey guys, me and Marshall are back at it today. Today we're going to be putting in some Baja design lights in my rear bumper for an additional lighting in reverse. So let's open up the box and see what we got. So this is it. It's the S2 Pro, and instructions, mounting hardware, electrical connections, and we got two of them. So I like Baja Design because I personally think they're the best. They have a hell of a reputation, and I like them because they have a lifetime warranty. Bulb burns out, they'll replace it. Something else inside burns up or doesn't work, they'll replace it. You know, they don't replace abused and you know, for abuse and all that crap. But I'm going to give it a go. I bought these quite a while ago from CJC Offroad Design, or Offroad in Long Beach. I haven't decided on if I want to mount facing directly back, or there's a little bit of a curve in my rear bumper. I was thinking about putting on towards the bottom so they shine down a little more, but I don't know. I think I'll make it simple. We'll make sure that nothing's in the way behind mounting brackets or anything like that, and we'll put them in there. So stick around. Let's go put them on. Marshall! So this is what we have. It's going in my 2500 Ram, and I know that I have a bracket that goes right through here, and it's pretty much wide open all the way across here. So I'm planning on doing it about right there, probably about right there. And so let's go ahead and tape this up, mark it off, cut the template out, and start cutting this dude. The reason why I did the S2 Pro, it's 2,245 lumens, and I got it with the wide spread. So I mean, they have them with the spot. They have them one spot, one wide, and then they have one that's a diffuser that goes everywhere. But I wanted them to go wide so I could see over here and over there. So all I have to do now is tap into my backup light and hook it up. I'm done. Got to clean up though. So I'm going to cut the tape off. And it's this little black one of all wires. All right, so let's get this one back up in here. Okay. Butthead. Should have thought this through a little better. There it goes. Alright. Very cool. See what it looks like at night. See you guys later. I installed my backup lights and I freaking love them.